cute little hipster neighborhood that used to be for only the upper end, high end people of Mexico, but as time has gone on, there's been some little hipster cafes and other places that have made it more affordable for more people. It's a super hip neighborhood. There's lots of markets and thrift stores and little cafes and cool restaurants. It's just a really awesome place, and we're very excited to show you the whole neighborhood.
Right now we are in an awesome cafe called Boicot. We've been here once when we came to Mexico the first time about a month ago, and we're walking around Roma Norte and we saw it and we're like, oh, we gotta try the food because we haven't tried the food yet. The cold brew with like a rice milk, it's really, really good, and we were like in love with it. So Brittany got chilaquiles on a bun and I got a Reuben, and I'm sure the food's gonna be amazing. I can't wait. I am super, super hungry, and this awesome themed cafe is like in the 70s, 80s, so we're doing like a really thrifty day. Everything is kind of old school. So.
steps.
Woo! It's like Disney World. We're exhausted, but we had a great day. We love Roma Norte. It's basically just cafes and good food and markets, and it's a perfect place to eat and shop and have a date night and
walk around and just see the awesome buildings, awesome art, all that. It's just beautiful, beautiful neighborhood.
And we'll definitely be back and probably do a few more videos there for different reasons. But overall, this was our day in Roma Norte. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope that you visit it, because if you do, you will definitely love it.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Check out all the links in the description. And stay being awesome, guys. We love you and thank you for all the support.
Mwah.